Gemma Collins has revealed she plans to give birth outdoors and has already picked her baby's name, despite not being pregnant yet. The 40-year-old, who is trying for a baby with boyfriend Rami Hawash, admitted she has been inspired by nature after becoming obsessed with gardening during lockdown. Speaking on The Gemma Collins podcast, she said, "Me and Mother Nature are at one, because I'm hoping to get pregnant soon. Maybe I should find a place in the forest where I can give birth to my Mother Nature's child. I might even call it Blossom, the Japanese blossom tree. I know the child's name, it's going to be called Blossom." She continued, "Blossom is soon to be born around Japanese cherry trees. I really want to go to Japan, because I've been seeing the cherry blossoms and they are unbelievable. They take my breath away." The former TOWIE star went on to say how she is currently on a health kick in a bid to fulfill her dreams of becoming a mom. She explained, "I'm on a massive health one. Winter is coming. I want to keep my immunity up. I want to, obviously, try for a baby now. It's really important that this is my main focus. I've been trying to go to bed early. If I don't go to bed at 6 or 7 o'clock I'll get hangry, especially if I'm doing sugar-free." Gemma and Rami first dated in 2011, enjoying an on/off romance for 3 years before splitting in 2014. They got engaged in 2013 when he proposed by hiding a diamond ring in a Christmas pudding. They briefly reconnected in 2017, but Gemma was back with James Argent soon after. However, she called time on that rocky relationship for good last year. In April, it was revealed that Gemma and Rami had been secretly dating for 6 months. Gemma has been enjoying being a stepmom to Rami's son from a previous relationship, but is desperate to have a child of her own. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 02077824220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.